This input is for mic inputs, not to plug keyboard direct on this input. But if you must plug keyboard direct on this input, connecting a keyboard without DI box, it is very, very dangerous for your mixing console. If you must connect your keyboard without DI box, this is what you are going to do, but it has a limitation. I will explain two things to you today on this video. First thing, this input is for mic inputs, not to plug keyboard direct on this input. But if you must plug keyboard direct on this input, you must connect it to DI bus. Just make sure you watch this video to the end. Thank you. Now, number one, you see you have microphone input here. Number two, you have your line input. This is line input. This line input is to plug your keyboard or guitar or anything that has to do with line level. This is where you will plug it. But any cable that is above 10 meters will act as an antenna. That is when you have on your cable. It is good if your console is beside the stage, you can still connect your keyboard direct to the mixing console where you plug it on the line input, not the mic input. But once you extend your mixing console to the FOH, where you have about 30 to 25 meters, 50 meters far away to the stage, you need a DI bus. Is either you use active DI bus or passive DI bus, just to convert that this unbalanced signal back to microphone level. Sure, you understand? Now, I'm going to do some experiments on how this thing works. Now, this is the normal cable you use for the keyboard, XLR to jack. You plug this guy on the keyboard channel on the mixer. Then, this one, we go to all the way to the keyboard. Now, play the keyboard for me now. You will see that you are getting a signal without turning the gain up. You see that the gain is down and the keyboard is still coming out. What this thing is telling you is that the signal you are sending to this mic input is too high for the channel to handle. What if you now turn the gain all the way up? That means you don't have any control on this particular channel, because everything is going there on the line level to the mic input. Turning it down, you still have the level of the keyboard here. By the time the keyboard is turned up, you see that I don't have control. You don't have a control over the keyboard channel or a guitar or a bass guitar. Once you plug your keyboard like this, so that means you are sending a wrong signal to the mixing console channel. See, it's a matter of time. You see the preamp on this channel will start dropping little by little. The next thing we want to do now, we have tested line inputs, mic inputs without DI bus. Now, what will happen now? We are going to use DI bus for the keyboard. Then I will turn the gain down. We see how the keyboard will react now to mic inputs. What we are doing now, you see, a microphone level to the output of the DI bus. Now, this guy is going to this guy straight down here. Now, can you please play the keyboard on a low level? Do you have any sound? No. Until I don't have any sound until I turn the gain up. Did now. You see the signal that is coming from this keyboard to this place. By the time it come out from this DI bus, by the time it get to this console, it will get to this console at microphone level, at the level of this microphone. You see, this console will work for a very long time without having any issue. The preamp will work very well without having any issue. So then, let me tell you the work of the DI bus. Number one, it will convert unbalanced signal back to balance, back to microphone level. That's still to stay. If you like, go and put your mixing console 500 meters away from your stage. The signal will remain the same without any distortion, without any noise, without any humming. Number two, if you are using a bass combo or a guitar combo, number two, a DI bus will split. You see this signal that is coming from the keyboard, it will split it. Look at this output again. This is the output that is going to your combo. What is happening on your combo is not going to affect what is coming to the console. For example, if the guitarist or bassist if he's trying to adjust his volume, whether it's increasing or decreasing, it doesn't affect what is coming here. Then number three, any noise. Don't forget that once you plug your keyboard direct without a DI bus, once your cable is above both 10 to 15 meters, it will start acting as antenna. Now, this guy now will eliminate any noise because it's a microphone level. So it's going to eliminate the noise. Any noise that is coming from this guy or any noise this guy wants to generate, this guy will eliminate it at this point before going out to your mixing console. You will see that, play the keyboard one more time. You see that you have a clean sound and cool sound from the keyboard. It's simple as ABC. This is simple as ABC. With DI bus, you will see that the mixing console, the work is very cool. The channel, the preamp, everything is working fine. Thank you very much. In case you find my video interesting, don't forget to share and like and follow me. Thank you. God bless you.